Here at Eugene and Lowe's Tawiah's house, Bridgewater, New Jersey. Repair attempt for this shingle. Okay, so I have to take out 4 nails of the first row, 4 nails out of the second row. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up the shingles. All right. Put in the new shingle. All right. It's I'm gonna put 3 nails in the first row, 3 nails in the second row. Yeah, you can see it's already starting to crease. Yep, so slight creasing here. Yep, so you could just wipe the granules away. When shingles crease, the shingles are no longer embedded into the granules are no longer embedded into the shingle, and they're just laying on top, and you're able to just wipe them away. And you can see this one mildly here, and then this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top row nails in. Yeah, crease here. Yeah, this one might be okay. Yeah, okay, so let me show you here. This one here is mild creasing. This one across the whole top, mild creasing. This one, and then this one up here, this one. So let's go here, 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 little here. So I'm gonna go ahead and say this repair attempt has failed.